Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I am Monica, and because we realize how difficult it is to think of a new recipe every single day, we are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we are making coconut and chicken wraps. They are extremely handy to carry in the tiffin and are a lovely combination of flavors. So come, let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. To start making the coconut chicken rolls, we'll first fry the chicken. Take the chicken breast and cut it into strips. To this, we'll add the Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce. The Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce makes the chicken nice and tangy and really enjoyable for the kids. Let's now make the coating. Some breadcrumbs, desiccated coconut, salt, chilli powder, pepper powder, and give it a nice mix. Let's pour some oil in a pan. Let's dip the chicken in the coconut mixture. Coat it well. Let's flip them over. And looks like our chicken is done. Now that our chicken is done, I'll cool it a bit and assemble the dip. Take some hung curd, coriander leaves, and chilli powder. Mix it well, and that's it. Our dip is ready. The dip is ready, the chicken is ready. Now let's assemble the wraps. Let's put some chicken, some vegetables like bell peppers, some cabbage, and some chopped tomatoes. Top it with the dip and roll it up. Time to pack our tiffin. In goes my wrap, some kiwis, and some kishmish. I hope I've solved your tiffin worry for today. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Like and share this video. I'll be back tomorrow to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.